What's up, friends? So this is my WeBoost cell phone booster. I wasn't sure if these were going to be all they're cracked up to be, but I got to be honest, I've had it about 3-4 months now and it's been pretty sweet. There's a couple things to know if you're looking to get a cell phone booster. Number one is that if you don't have signal, it's not going to do anything for you. You have to have some sort of signal for it to boost. So if you have like 1 bar, it'll boost it to 2 or 3. And the second thing is your interior antenna. Your devices like your cell phone have to be within 18 inches of that antenna for it to boost. So if you like to use your cell phone or something laying in the bed of your RV or truck or something, then you're going to want that antenna to be in an area where you would use it frequently. For this build, I decided that I'd probably be using the cell phone booster benefits mostly when I'm either driving or if I'm stationary, a place where I would sit and use it. Certainly the bed would be convenient to be comfortable and lay down and be able to play with my phone in the evenings, but if I only have one option, I think the benefits during driving would probably outweigh that. So I put my interior antenna up here by my rear view mirror and then ran that out, placed my head unit in this upper cabinet here, and then I was able to split that difference, run the roof antenna out through the existing hole from the ceiling fan and back towards the rear of the vehicle. Now that is a magnet that just sticks onto the roof, which is really convenient and nice. So the install is pretty easy, and then I get the benefits of the cell booster while I'm driving by just simply holding my phone up in the area if I need it, or in the evenings I can swivel the seats around, turn this into a dining area or a sitting area, and use the benefits of the cell phone booster up front in the cab. So this is where I brought the antenna down right out of that hole, stuck it right here with some double-sided tape, and basically anywhere I hold the phone within 18 inches of that, I'm getting a boost. So pretty much the entire cab. So the WeBoost goes off a 12 volt DC port. I simply put a 12 volt port on a switch so that I can turn it on and off when I don't need it. So if I'm gonna go for a road trip or whatever, I'll just kick it on while I'm driving. If I'm not, or I'm just stationary, I can cut the power to it and not be draining battery for something that I'm not using. So it is feasible to do that. Just know that you'll need to use a 12 volt DC port wired to a switch and then just plug the WeBoost into the 12 volt port. So I've been using this WeBoost for about 3 months now and it's been very effective. Right now I'm actually out camping and I have 1 bar. If I place the phone within 18 inches of the antenna, I boost up to 3. So I'm able to maintain contact as needed or stay on the grid, so to speak. So that's my WeBoost cell phone booster. It's been a very effective upgrade to this van build. I'm very happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the information that I had to present. And if you did, make sure you